Experiencing dropped calls or unstable Wi Fi on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Many users are facing intermittent connectivity problems, particularly with 5G and Wi Fi. These issues often stem from a combination of weak signal strength, modem overheating, especially on AT&T and Verizon under heavy 5G usage, potentially leading to throttling, Wi-Fi protocol mismatches, or software bugs in iOS 18X. Recent updates like iOS 18.4 have addressed some firmware bugs related to 5G modem integration, but user reports indicate that about 15 to 20% of owners still experience intermittent signal drops. Start with a network reset to clear cached data and reset connections. Navigate to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. If problems continue, update your router firmware, especially for Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. For cellular issues, switch to LTE-only mode in Settings, cellular data options, voice and data. For weak signals, aim for -50 dBm strength. Move to a better location if needed. As a last resort, perform a full iOS restore and update carrier settings.